Hi everybody. We've had a few students wonder why their courses aren't showing up for them inside of It's Learning. And really, your courses are there. The odds are though that you're just not quite looking in the right spot. So let me show you how you can get this to work for you. First of all, when you're in It's Learning and you've clicked on your courses tab that you have, you'll see the courses that have been starred, the ones that have been favorited for you. If when you're in here and you scroll down through the menu, you don't see your course, click All Courses that's at the bottom of that window. Then all of the courses that you're a part of will show up here as long as the teacher has made sure that they've unarchived their courses. So you can just scroll down and you can take a look at your courses. To get them to show up in your Courses tab, all you need to do is come over to the side in the middle here and click on the gold star, and that will favorite your course and make it show up in your Courses tab. So that's how you're able to find those courses that maybe you don't think that you have, and they really are there. So hopefully this helps you and you'll be able to find all of the courses that you need. Bye everybody.